excessive heat warning remains in effect until 8 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, or 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Monday for elevations below 6,000 feet. An excessive heat warning remains in effect until 8 p.m. Monday for elevations below 6,000 feet in southern Nevada, northwest Arizona and southeast California. Expected high temperatures: Las Vegas, McCarran International Airport, 115 to 117 degrees. Mesquite in the Colorado River Valley, 118 to 125. Pahrump, 111 to 114. Barstow, 114 to 118. Moronga Basin, 110 to 115. Kingman, 108 to 112. Bishop, 106 to 108. Caliente, 105 to 108. Death Valley, 126 to 129. A prolonged period of excessive heat will continue through at least Monday. Little relief is expected at night, especially in urban areas such as the Las Vegas Valley where low temperatures near the Strip and downtown may not drop below 90 degrees. Exceedingly hot temperatures may persist through Independence Day. This has the potential to be a life-threatening heat event for those at risk. A total of 17 people died from heat-related causes in the Las Vegas Valley from July 14th to 23rd in 2005, when temperatures were observed at or above 112 from the 14th to 17th. The peak temperature during that period was 117. Children, the elderly, and people with chronic ailments are the most susceptible to heat-related illness. Cramps, heat exhaustion, or in extreme cases heat stroke can result from prolonged exposure to these conditions. Friends, relatives and neighbors should check on people who may be at risk. Heat exhaustion symptoms include nausea, headaches, dizziness and profuse sweating. Treatment is to get indoors, cool the body and drink water. Heat stroke symptoms include an increase in body temperature which leads to deliriousness, unconsciousness and red, dry skin. Death can occur when body temperatures reach or exceed 106 to 107 degrees. Treatment is to cool the body and seek immediate medical attention. Take extra precautions if you work or spend time outside. When possible, reschedule strenuous activities to early morning or evening. Know the signs and symptoms of heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Wear lightweight and loose-fitting clothing when possible and drink plenty of water. To reduce risks during outdoor work, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration recommends scheduling frequent rest breaks in shaded or air-conditioned environments. Anyone overcome by heat should be moved to a cool and shaded location. Heat stroke is an emergency. Call 911.